guys, it's your girl Sandy here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you guys can tell by the title down below, this is going to be my Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing for Valentine's Day. So I was able to get my hands on the premium box, and there were a few other boxes that he had, but obviously we're just going to chit chat a little about it, talk about the mystery boxes and things that I know about them, and then also talk about the new launch that's happening this Friday? No, I'm sorry, not this Friday. Next Friday. Sorry about that. Yeah, talking about the new launch that's happening next Friday for the Bloodlust. Now, I'm very surprised that this is the collection that he's coming out with. I do know that there has been some talk about out there where Jeffree Star has already copyrighted Blood Money. Sorry, my eyebrow itches. How he's also already copyrighted the whatever that's called, or trademarked copyrighted Blood Money as well. So I can probably, or we can probably expect that might be number 4 or 5 somewhere in the bloodline coming up here shortly. But again, if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to hit, oh my goodness, I cannot talk today. But if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Senior D. Alright, let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the mystery boxes. So obviously I will put up some pictures for you guys so we can get a little bit more into it. So for the mystery boxes for Valentine's Day, they did have the traditional red, white, and pink packaging. The premium one did have the red and white packaging. I think the middle one had red and something packaging. The last one was pink. So again, you did have multiple tiers when it came to this launch. For the boxes, you had the $60 value one, or you had the $60 box, which is worth $105. You had, which is the premium box, which you got 4 items in, and three that are exclusive. Then you had the middle box, which was the red box, which was $100, which you had a $199 value on there, and that was the deluxe box with, what does that say? Sorry, 8 items and 3 exclusive items that are in there. And then you had the Supreme box, which was $145, in which you got 12 items and 5 exclusive items as well. Now, along with this launch, he did have some other stuff that was on there. He did have 2 fleece jackets. He had some messenger bags. He also had his new Jeffree Star approved mirrors that were on there, which, again, picture right here for you. And they also did have the new Valentine's Day Jeffree Star hoodies. Obviously, those all had different price values that went with them, but that was the stuff that he launched for Valentine's Day. Now, obviously, going into Valentine's Day, let me tell you, I feel like every single time he has a mystery box unboxing or a mystery box launch, something always goes wrong with the website, and I don't understand why they have not figured this out yet, because everyone wants these boxes. Everyone wants to do videos on these boxes reviews because you get the best bang for your money when it comes to Jeffree Star cosmetics. So I know there was a lot of problems that people had on their mobile phones compared to people that were on laptops. And going forward, I think a laptop is the way to go until Jeffree Star's company gets this fixed somewhere along the way. So I was having a struggle on my phone while I was out and about. I put an alarm on, everything like that, and I got kicked off of it like four times until I finally came home and just got on my laptop. I was only able to see the premium box. Not the premium, no, yeah, I was only able to see the premium box, which is the one I got my hands on anyways. But that was the only box I was able to see. Apparently you had to go like the desktop mode, and then you were able to see the other tiers when it came to the other mystery boxes. And then again, I just kept on getting kicked out of line multiple times, so I wasn't able to even get the pink fleece that I wanted, which I put it in my cart multiple times, but got kicked out because of, and it wasn't even my service. I had full service where I was out and about. It was just the mobile site was not working for a lot of people compared to when it came to using a computer. So next time he has a launch, obviously for next Friday, I need to just be on my computer, and hopefully I get everything that I want. But yeah, so that was a little bit of a problem that people were having. Now, the next thing that kind of irritates me the most is that every single time I feel like people, when you have the option just to do regular standard shipping, and then you obviously have express shipping, people who are doing express shipping are still getting their package after people who just only did standard shipping, which is kind of crazy. So this time I wanted to try express shipping to see if I would get my package anytime sooner than some of the other people. But again, it wasn't worth my money because let's go ahead. Let me pull up my emails really quickly just so I can kind of talk you guys through this, because again, it's just very irritating. So when the launch was, and then how long it took me to get my box, excuse me. So the launch was on January 31st, and then I finally got a message on February 6th that my package had shipped, and then it got delivered to my house 2 days later. So that's where the express shipping kind of worked when it finally shipped out. But the dilemma that makes me so irritated is, again, it's supposed to be priority mail shipping for 3 days compared to the other one that says 5 to 8 days. And that still wasn't right. I feel like, I mean, I guess if every single person wants to do express shipping, he's going to, I would hope his system would be to start with everyone who did express shipping and then go to the people that did priority shipping. But I don't know how it all works. And he even said it in a Snapchat that he has no control over U.S. postal system, all that stuff like that. But he does have control about in his warehouse when he, like, who he starts off with in the shipping process. So again, save your money, whatever it can be. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this box, and then we'll keep on talking because I will keep on rambling on. So this was a $60 box. It was the only thing I was able to get my hands on, which again, I'm still happy I was able to get something rather than nothing. How the heck in the Bob to open this box? Okay, I just don't want to flash my address. So this is everything we got in the box. We've got some goodies in here. So if you guys did not see Jeffree Star's tweet, which made me even more excited, because again, I wanted to grab my hands on the middle box and this box, but since my phone was having troubles, I was only able to get my hands on this one. But Jeffree did put out a tweet right here that said, P.S. anyone that orders the premium box basically is going to be shook and is going to be shocked. And it's because what's in here is crazy. So I will save that for last, which made me so excited to get this box. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Anyway, so I got 4 items in this box, and this is the first item, which is a very super cute beanie. So I live in Indiana. It's snowing outside right now. It started snowing at 5 o'clock. And it's going to keep snowing until at least 11 a.m. where I'm about to, I think we're supposed to get at least like 5 to 6 inches of snow. So this is perfect for me. It does have the Jeffree Star little hearts that are on there, if you can see it. It does say Jeffree Star and his logo for a very, very cute beanie. I love beanies, so I was super excited to get this. Why does my phone keep going off? Jesus. And then the next thing we've got in here is a pop socket. So this is a baby pink pop socket. Now I do have the red one that I got last time in his Valentine's Day box. Obviously, also, if you guys didn't know, I do love Jeffree Star so much. I do have a lot of his products. I have been getting his mystery boxes since last Valentine's Day. So this will be my second Valentine's Day mystery box unboxing. I will leave a playlist for you guys if I've got it here if you guys want to see all the other mystery box unboxings that he's done. He does them over the holidays, so I always try and grab them and get my hands on them. And then the next product in here is a gloss, which is the gloss. This is in Succulent. If I can get it out, would be great. Come on, I don't want to break the packaging. Stop it. This is the gloss. It's so pretty. I have another one of his glosses. I haven't really used them so far yet, but this one is extremely pretty. So obviously you can tell right there it is a pink gloss with a blue and purple shift to it. So I'll go ahead and just put that on my lips for you guys right now. Whoa. So that's what it looks like over my nude color that I had on my lips. Not bad, but I think this would be more pretty over like a pink lip color or a red lip color to kind of give it that really cool accent. But super cool. Not goopy or anything like that. And then the last thing that I have in this box, drum roll please. is the exclusive item that he was raving about, which is why everyone is shook that this is in the mystery box. So in this mystery box right now, there is a palette. He has been giving out palettes in his mystery boxes. Typically it's been in the biggest one, but he decided he wanted to, you know, shake the earth with an earthquake from Jeffree Star and put this in the mystery box. So if you guys didn't know, there are a few items he recently tweeted out that it is true that they will be discontinued, which that is the Thirsty palette and the Alien palette. So dun dun dun, womp womp womp. So I did end up getting, if you guys can tell by the packaging, I already peeked in here. I had to so badly. It is the Alien palette that is in this mystery box unboxing right here for you guys. It is so beautiful. So I have a few of his palettes. I have the Blood Sugar palette, I have the Blue Blood palette, and now I have this one. Now I don't have all of his palettes just because I wasn't really a big fan of some of them, like the Androgyny palette, the original Beauty Killer palette, the Thirsty palette. Now I do really want to get my hands on that one, but this one, just look at the packaging. Just look at the packaging. It's so good, so good. So this is what the Alien palette looks like. Now I'm so excited to have this because if you don't know me, I love sci-fi and all of stuff like that, just because it's just, I love sci-fi. Like, I love anything like that. Like, there's so many good shows that are on Netflix right now, and on top of that, I've pretty much, you know, watched The X-Files all the way from the beginning to the end twice. So I'm a little obsessed with the paranormal. So obviously you have all of these beautiful colors, especially this purple one, which is Area 51. Love this so much. So excited to add this to my collection. And yeah, so now the Thirsty palette, I want to get my hands on it so bad. I saw he put that in the last mystery box unboxings. I believe it was the Christmas one, or maybe it was one before that, Halloween. But I know I've looked at them at Poshmark, and I've also looked at them on a few of the websites, and people have like hiked those prices up so much. I'm hoping that at some point I might find one that is a little bit cheaper so I can get my hands on the Thirsty palette, because that's the one I want to add to my collection. Now, as you guys saw, there was that hint of purple in this Alien palette, which kind of goes on to Blood number 3, or the Blood Sugar palette, or Blood palette number 3, which is coming out here next Friday, like I talked to you guys about. I'm so excited for it. It's Bloodlust. I love purples like that because they complement my brown eyes so well when it comes to purple shades. And just the packaging, everything about it that's in the collection is going to be so good. So I definitely want to make sure I get my hands on that. Now I know he will have some exclusive items that are going to be only on his website, but they will be released, the Bloodlust palette and all will be released to all of his other distributors. So that will be like Morphe, Beautylish, Beauty Bay, and his own website. I forget, I think there's one more website that I don't remember, but definitely make sure if you guys want to get your hands on it. I'm telling you right now, Jeffree Star's website itself will probably be slammed. You probably have better off getting on some of the other websites to get just the palette itself and a few other things. And some of those other websites definitely ship a lot faster than his warehouse do. So I think I'm probably going to jump on one of those other websites and get the palette from there. And then hopefully I can either get the bomber jacket, which looks so freaking cute, or hopefully I can get my hands on the windbreaker is the only other thing that I want. Now, I do have a few of his mirrors. I'm not big into the mirror collection like a lot of other people are. It's just not my thing because I love big mirrors. I'm not really big about hand mirrors. It's kind of complicated to work with. I'd rather just have it sturdy in front of me so I can use my hands openly. But yeah, so comment down below, you know, what your thoughts are over the new Bloodlust palette and everything like that. So I know you guys finally waited to the very end. I didn't mention in the beginning, but I did kind of sneakily put it into the thumbnail that there is going to be a giveaway in this video. I always do giveaway in my Jeffree Star videos for you guys just because I love to give away products that I get in some of these mystery boxes that I probably won't use myself. So there was nothing in this mystery box that I'm going to be giving away to you, but there was something in a previous mystery box that I have still not used yet and I probably won't use. I've kept onto it, held onto it just because I loved the name of the product, but the color is just not my vibe, but it might be yours. So let me grab that product really quickly. The product I'm going to be giving away is right here is one of the lip ammunitions. This is going to be in Jeffree's Girl. I have not used this whatsoever. It's sat in its component in the packaging that I still have. This is what the packaging looks like for you, and it is a very beautiful pink color. Again, this is just not my vibe. Not my vibe at all, but hopefully it's yours. So this is Jeffree's Girl. In order to enter into this giveaway, I will go ahead and put everything down below in the description box. I do apologize that this is probably going to be for US only like I said, because I am a smaller channel. Every now and then I will do some that will be internationally, but international just costs a lot of money because of customs and other things like that, and just to ship. So again, I love you guys so much. Please participate in this giveaway. Again, I love you guys, people who have been subscribed to me, people who are, you know, big rooters of small channels and give good vibes. You guys are amazing so much. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you guys never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. Alright, I will see you next time. Bye.